Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing another Pokemon cards pack opening because, amazingly, today I received 8 packs and I've got 4 Unified Minds and 4 Sword and Shield. Now, the first thing I noticed about these is this Sword and Shield lot is a lot heavier than these. And I don't know whether it's... I'm just going to read the back. Code card, yeah. Ten additional game cards, 10 additional game cards. Strange. Well, hopefully that means there's some awesome ones in Sword and Shield. But first, I'm going to start with these Unified Minds packs. And I bought these because my Unified Minds collection is a bit bigger than some of the others, so I'm going to get straight into them. And I'm glad they provided all 4 pack arts, so I can just show you guys. So that one's Giratina and... oh, what's his name? Garchomp. There we go. Right, let's get into this first pack. I'm literally filming this a day after I went and bought the other ones, which is amazing. Okay, I'm just opening up the top. Or attempting to, anyway. Again, it's going to be a sort of a calmer video today, because I'm still feeling a bit meh, so yeah. Okay, so that's the code card. And then I think it's still, yeah, it's still 4 because it's 10. Okay, and guess the energy, I'm going to say fighting. Ah! Well, that's a good start. Okay, so we have Great Potion, Focus, Beer Barrel, Tornadus, Meditite. It's really not focusing today. My camera doesn't like me today. Shroomish. Slack Off. Drifloon. Dewpider. A Reverse Hollow Honedge. And a Latias GX. Now that is one of the GXs I really wanted to pull. I mean, it's not worth a massively amazing amount of money. I just really like Latios and Latias. So that's really cool and a really good start. Oh my gosh. I was a bit scared because I bought these on Amazon and eBay. I was a bit scared that they were going to be like tampered or weighted packs, if you know what I mean, but apparently not. Okay, so that is an amazing start. And now we will get into the Mewtwo and Mew. I'd love to pull this card. Okay. Just get this one open. Right, there we go. So that's that one. And that's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna say Psychic Energy. No, it's a steel one. Okay, we've got one today, so that's fine. Right, we've got another Tornadus. Come on, camera. There. Ooh, we got a Jinx. Slumbering Forest, Dynamo, another Meditite, sorry, I was just seeing if I could adjust my camera, but it just doesn't want to play today. A Noibat, a Swaddle, Skorupi, a reverse holo Dynamo, and a Kangaskhan holographic. That is the rare, yeah, that's the rare one. And there's Dualolan Raichus in the background. You probably can't see because my focus just said no today. Fortunately, I can't do anything about it because I can't afford a new camera, so... And the light is not being kind to me today either. Okay, right, this is the third pack. Darkrai and Umbreon, another card I would love to pull. If I can open it, that is. Okay. Right, there we go. Done. Code card. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna say lightning energy. Nope, water. Okay, okay. So we have another Jinx. Another Slumbering Forest. Wow, you really can't see that card, jeez. Relicanth. Ooh, a Druddigon. Cool Pokemon, I like that Pokemon. Cottony. Fomantis. Aww, a kind of scared looking Sawhuddle. A Marini, a reverse holo Shroomish, and a Zygarde, which is the non-holographic rare. So not too bad. I feel like I opened the worst pack I possibly could have first, because we got the GX in the first pack. Okay, right, let's open this one. This is the Espeon and Deoxys one. Again, would love to pull. Love Espeon, love Deoxys. Okay. And the code card. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna say Leaf Energy. Ah, Psychic now, okay. Right, there's another Relicanth. Blues Tactics. I really want to pull the silver rare of him. Lampent. Claymation. Don't really like that card, I'm not gonna lie, but fair enough. Wimpod. Focus please. Wimpod. Another Slack Off. Salandit. Oh, it's a little bounce sweet. There's another Salandit. A reverse holographic Doublade. And an Abomasnow. Okay. So we got a good pull out of this one. We've got the Latias, if I can find it. No, Latios, sorry. So that is that one, and I'm really happy with that. That is literally one of the ones I wanted. Latias, and then Blues Tactics, and the tag teams is the ones I really want. So that is all of Unified Minds for today, and I'm very happy with that because I've actually got a lot of cards there that I didn't have, even if they're just normal ones, so that's great. And now we have these, which are strangely heavier, like I said at the beginning. Okay. This is very violently sellotape. Okay. I'm going to do them in a different order today. Okay, I think I'll do this one first. This is the Gigantamax Snorlax, which is a really cool card. Would love to pull that. Along with a Golden Zacian, obviously. Okay, let's get into some Sword and Shield now. 2, 3, 4. Okay. I am going to say normal energy. Nope, it's fire. Okay. We have a quick ball. Can't speak. A quick ball. A galvantula, which is one I really wanted to pull. It's probably can't see it that well, but it's an awesome card. Air balloon, secret rare. Need to pull that one. Mudbray. Pawniard. The alternative score bunny card. Nicket. Chinchu. A reverse holographic Thwacky. And a Thievul to go with the Nicket. Okay, so not too bad for first pack. I like the Galvantula that I got. I'm just trying to pronounce it right. Okay, let's do the Zacian pack now. This one. Okay, let's open up the top. Okay, so we have the code. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna say Leaf Energy. Oh, it's fighting. Okay. So we have Rhydon, Big Charm, Thwacky, Grookey, appropriate, and the Mudbray, Hoot Hoot, Pincurchin, Vulpix, a reverse hollow hop, and a Mudsdale. Okay, so again not too bad for a second pack. I needed the Mudsdale and a couple of the others, so that's great. I am now going to do the Lapras one. Okay, right, so the code card, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to say Water Energy. Nope, Psychic, okay. So we have another Air Balloon, we have a Power Pad, which I don't have yet. We have a Kingler, which I don't have yet. Courtney. A Tutor, excuse me, I can't speak English today. Rhyhorn. A Rookidee. A Krabby to go with the Kingler, a reverse hollow Rookie, and a hollow Cinderace, which is the rare. Now this is another alternative artwork of Cinderace. There's 3, so I've got one of them. This is the different one, which is really awesome. I quite like that one actually. This is a nice card. Okay, and on to the last pack. Hopefully we can get something good in the last pack. I mean, like a V or a V Max or a gold card or a secret rare. Okay. Right, so good card. 3, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna say Psychic Energy now, and I'm gonna be wrong, I know. Great, Lightning, yep, okay. So we have a Poke Kid, a Heatmore, Stunfisk, Diglett, Ferroseed, Goldeen, Roselia, Joltik, a Galarian Ponyta, and oh, nice, and a Zacian V. Now these are still worth quite a bit. Unfortunately, it's got a bit of a whitening problem at the top, but still, it's a Zacian V. So that will be going in a frickin' heck, I've forgotten the word, a sleeve in a minute. They can go from sort of 10 to 20, I think, maybe more, I'm not sure, but yeah. So Zacian V, amazing. Just need to pull the gold ones. Probably will take me a while. Brave Blade 230, wow, amazing. So I'll just show that one again. So today we got the Zacian V and the Latios GX from Unified Minds. So that is great. I think they must have been slightly I think the guys who sent it to me, it was a card company, I can't remember. I will put their links in the description. I think they must try and aim to put a special card pack in each. I don't know whether they have the ability to see or do that, but I mean, I really appreciate it if they do, so yeah, it's great. Alright guys, so that's all I've got for today, and it might be a while before I do this again because I've spent quite a lot of money on my hobby now and I need to slow down a little bit, otherwise I'll have no money to live on. But okay, so I don't know when my next video will be or what it will be, but I will see you guys soon in whatever form, whether it's here or on my Instagram, eclipse_creations, as you know. But I'll see you guys soon. Bye!